Atty. Hillo. Andiyan din po si Pastor Apollo Kibuloy. Andiyan po si Kuya Philip Salvador. At nandiyan po yung anak-anakan ng ating Pangulong Rodrigo Roa Duterte. Nandiyan po si Bongo. At nandiyan din po si Bato, ang pinakamatapang na tao. Si Bato. Meron ba akong nakakalimutan?
Mike Rodriguez.
Si Dr. Mata.
Yes.
Nabanggit ko na po, Atty. Vic Rodriguez. Huwag na nakakalimutan yun. Marcoleta, lahat po yung powerhouse po yan. Hindi po kayo magsisisi, mga mahal kong kababayan, kapag binoto nyo po ito. Dahil kung gusto po natin talaga ng tunay na pagbabago, kailangan bumoto kayo ng bago. Kasi hanggat bumoto po kayo ng paulit-ulit, at umaasa kayo ng panibagong resulta, ay hindi po ganun ang mangyayari. Paulit-ulit lang. Kaya sana po, suportahan niyo po ang PDP laban dahil meron pa po tayong isang laban. At yung po, yung ipinapato nilang impeachment sa ating Vice President. Kaya kailangan po magkaroon tayo ng mga senador na tatayo. Hindi matatakot at ipaglalaban ang ating bayan. Yun po, mga mahal kong kababayan. Ngayon naman,
Ganito magkakulaban
okay. Ganda nun, ha? I am not a Filipino for nothing. Tapos na ako sa aking mensahe sa inyo. Gusto ko pong pasalamatan din po pala si Mama Harlika. Mama Harlika, mabuhay po. Maraming salamat po sa inyong malasakit sa Inumbayang Pilipinas. Kahit po kayo nasa Estados Unidos, ang inyong pong boses ay napakalakas. Maraming salamat po. Ngayon naman, siyempre hindi kumpleto o hindi ako kakanta. Sayang naman. Sayang naman. Boss, ilagay mo nga dyan. Dali ha. Asan ba yung host natin?
Sir, dito po ako.
Ma, boss, ikaw muna dito. Pag-usap muna kami ng DJ.
While waiting for Senator Robin, we would like to thank the following Den Haag Police Department, Stadsbosbeheer here of the Netherlands, and we would also like to thank the City Mayor of Den Haag for their full support. Mahal natin ang Pilipinas! Para po susugan ang sinabi ni Maharlika, we, the Filipino people, who deeply respect and support our former President Rodrigo Roa Duterte, we humbly appeal for his immediate release and safe return to the Philippines. President Duterte dedicated his life to the service of the nation, leading the unwavering commitment to peace, progress, and protection of the Filipino people. Under his leadership, our country witnessed significant improvements in public safety, governance, and the fight against crime and illegal drugs. His policies, though firm, were always rooted in his deep love for the Philippines and its people. We firmly believe in his innocence and recognize the lasting impact of his leadership on our nation. The overwhelming support he continues to receive from millions of Filipinos is a statement to the trust and gratitude we have for him. In the name of justice and fairness, we respectfully ask that he be granted the opportunity to return to the Philippines, to the country he selflessly served, to the people who continue to hold him in highest regard. Please hear our plea. Let President Duterte come home. Duterte! 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 Duterte!
Bakit ba tayo nandito? Mahal natin ang Pangulo! Wala tayong ayuda, wala tayong sardinas, wala tayong 5,000 pesos. Dahil sarili natin ang ating gastos ngayon. Am I right? Mahal natin ang Pangulo. And now, ladies and gentlemen, we will sing Happy Birthday to Tatay Digong. One, two, three. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Tatay Digong. Happy birthday to you. Once more. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Tay, wa man ni kahatag kanimo, we will sing only happy birthday. We love you, Tatay Digong. We support you. And we love your daughter.